Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, I've got another gist for you again this time around, and it's from the entertainment uh, corner, and this time is about Fuji superstar. And who is it I'm talking about? King Saheed Osupa Akorede. Yes, Saheed Osupa matriculated in UI on June 14, 2016 for the 2015-2016 academic year. He got in on the school's open and distance learning platform. Saheed Osupa started his primary school education at St. Mary Primary School, Ajegunle, Lagos, and his secondary school education at Amuwo Odofin High School, Mile 2, also in Lagos, where he graduated in 1987. In 1992, he completed his National Diploma ND program at the Polytechnic Ibadan, where he studied business administration. He is also an alumnus of the American International College, where he studied networking operations. So, we say to Fuji star Saheed Osupa, congratulations!